Hello, today I am going to show you how to play MOV file on your PC. Here I have one MOV file which is copied from my iPhone. When I will try to open this video cannot play. Here is in this video need to Hevc video extension. Now close it. I will show you how to play this video on free. Just open your Google browser. Here search Hevc video extension. If you search, here is many links, but there are some of the links are not working. Today I am giving you 100% working site. Just codepack.co, search it again. You open the first link. Then scroll down. First check your PC version, 64-bit or 32-bit. Here my PC is 64-bit, that's why I am trying to download 64-bit. Download is complete, open it, install it. Now close it. Now Hevc video extension is installed our PC. Now we are going to video and to play.